What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we got some goodies from Lasfit. So I want to say a big thank you to Lasfit for sending this out. These are some nice floor mats that will be going in my fiance's 2019 Honda Civic.
So excited.
So yeah, she's super excited. If you guys didn't know, Lasfit also sent over some of the LED headlight bulbs which are already on the car. We've had that on the car for about 2 years now and they work great. Previously they came with like the stock halogen bulbs, and now they're the bright white 5000K LED bulbs. So yeah, they work great. Let's switch it on, switch on the headlights just to show, you know, the people. I know this is one of the videos, one of my last two videos, they got a lot of views. So just switch on the headlight. There you go. So that crisp, nice white on both sides. Looks really good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this. We've done a bunch of Lasfit LED bulbs. We have the headlights on the Honda Civic. We also have Lasfit bulbs on my Civic Si in the garage. It has the LED fog light bulbs as well as LED reverse bulbs on my Mitsubishi Lancer. So big thank you to Lasfit. They've been working with me for the past few years. So yeah, this is the first non-LED product we'll be throwing on. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Let me show you guys the interior. So again, 2019 Honda Civic. So it does have some aftermarket mats, but as you can tell, it's a little dirty and a little torn up after a while. I gave this to my fiance a little while back. So it has the passenger floor mats as well as the rear. These leather floor mats look nice, but like I said, over time they rip, especially she uses this as a daily drive. So let's go ahead and take these off. I'll show you guys the stock floor mats and compare it to these Lasfit floor mats. We have the floor mats out. These are the OEM floor mats, so we're going to remove these as well. As you can tell, there's a bunch of dirt underneath, so since we'll be removing it, it's a good chance to vacuum it out as well. So we're going to get we have a little vacuum here, gonna get it nice, vacuum as much as we can, get the interior clean before slapping on the new floor mats.
A few moments later.
So after a little bit of time vacuuming down the interior, it looks so much cleaner. As you can tell, no more hair and dust and dirt. So yeah, spend a little bit of time. Like I say, definitely recommend doing this step. You can just slap it over, but since you have the floor mats out, might as well give it a nice, you know, a nice clean. So let's go ahead and open up the Lasfit box. I'll let my fiance do the honors, open it up and check it out. So this is the very first time that we're opening up the box as well. So fiance opening up the box, like I said, really nice packaging. And this is not universal, so it's meant for her car, for the 10th gen Honda Civics. Hers is a 2019, but it will fit any I believe 2016 to 2021 models. Ooh, so they do come with the front and back. So like I said, this is really nice, durable material. It says Lasfit. That's probably in the middle. Those I'm guessing are on the back. We'll put them to the side. Has a nice user manual, and these are the fronts. Yeah, pretty easy to slap on. So this looks like the driver. Let's go ahead and throw on the driver's side first. So no hardware needed. Like I said, you just put it right on, and if you notice, there are these holes. What they do is they pretty much fit into these little guys on the car, so you can make it fit nice and snug on both sides. So before you do that, actually scoot the seat back. You want to scoot the seat back all the way as much as you can go, just so it's not stuck. So you're gonna turn this, turn it on both sides, okay, and then fit it in the hole, fit it in the hole on both sides. Okay, and then once it's in, turn it.
Perfect. So, oh wow, so it won't move anymore.
Yeah, exactly, so it won't move. Yep, so fits nice and snug. Like I said, This goes over your footrest, goes all the way, cuts the corners nice. So the driver's side done, let's go ahead and throw on the passenger as well as the rear sides.
This is so easy. Slap on.
Easy install, just slaps right on. Passenger side done. Now we're gonna scoot the seats to the front so that we have more space to install the rear.
Okay, no, don't put
So scoot it to the front. You want to scoot it all the way just so when you install the rears it's easy.
Oh.
And then once you're done, then you can adjust the seats to how you want it to be.
Wow.
Goes right on, like I said, perfect fit. And then we have the other side as well as the middle piece that's going on. Like I said, it's meant for the car, so you can even see the edges, how it fits on real nice and snug on all the edges.
You should put this first.
So the middle piece, I'm gonna flip it around actually.
Oh, should, yeah.
Yeah, and that flip the other side. Yeah. So my fiance is figuring this out as she goes as well.
Damn.
So such
Okay,
a nice
I think
fit.
we should put that first and then
There
slap
we go.
it inside.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Putting everything. Yeah.
So like I said, super
Liking
easy
that.
install. Goes right over. So the middle piece, and then you have this covering over it. And now we're gonna scoot the seats back.
Big thank you to Lasfit for sending out the floor mats for my car. It fits perfect and I love it.
So again, here's another close up. And I know there's a few other competitor companies out there, but I want to let you guys know what makes Lasfit stands out from your other competitors. Firstly, the floor mats are Eco Aspect TPE material. Basically, they are thermoplastic and is an environmentally friendly material. So I know with some of these, you know, floor mats, whenever you open the box, they have a smell, like a leathery smell, but these have no smell at all because they're environmentally friendly and they fit perfect. Like I said, all the edges, it fits nice and snug. So it is made for your vehicle, not a universal one. You know, like I said, if you buy it for your car, so this is the 2019 Honda Civic, you're getting a product that fits nice and snug around the edges, not loose. And the coverage compared with the OEM mats, so nice grip. And I definitely recommend it for people who, you know, daily drive the car, or you like to go out hiking, camping. You know, your shoes might get dirty and dusty, so really nice material and easy to clean. You can just power wash it down. So yeah, just so many good things of these Lasfit floor mats. Like I said, with these material, it's super easy to clean. You could just use a damp cloth and just wipe it down, and they're not gonna crack or anything whether it's hot or cold weather. So super awesome. With Lasfit products, you also get a lifetime warranty and 90-day refund, so that's super awesome. So again, big thank you to Lasfit. If you guys want to buy this, you can go to Lasfit's website, www.lasfit.com, or you can go to the Instagram. I'm going to link it here. Use my code thejmedia10 for 10% off. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can click on, head straight to the website and purchase these products as well. Use my link and use my code to save some discounts. So yeah, like I said, I have been working with Lasfit for the past few years. I have their LED bulb on this 2019 Civic. We have the LED switchback fog lights on my Civic Si, the LED reverse light bulbs on my Mitsubishi Lancer, and now the Lasfit floor mat. So they're always coming out with new products. It used to be mainly LED products, now they have other stuff as well. So yeah, thank you. If you guys stay to the very end, we're gonna leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you guys like these DIY videos, let me know. Like I said, my fiance is not really a car enthusiast, but I like to, you know, beautify her car. You know, nice little steering wheel cover, little pillows, and yeah, now she has some nice Lasfit floor mats.